Welcome back to Auto Elite, where legends don't retire, they just evolve. And today, we're looking at something that's been whispered about for years, and now it's finally real, the 2026 Mazda RX-5. Yes, Mazda brought back the rotary, and it's not just a tribute, it's a rebirth. Let's start with the engine, because that's what RX fans really care about. Under the hood is a brand new 1.6-liter twin-rotor Wankel engine, paired with a compact electric motor for torque fill and efficiency. Together, this hybrid system produces around 365 horsepower, sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual or an optional dual-clutch automatic. 0 to 60? Just under 4 seconds. The rotary gives you that high-revving scream, while the electric assist gives instant response. It's not just a comeback, it's a remix of everything we loved about the RX-7 and RX-8, made for the modern world. Design-wise, the RX-5 is a stunner. Long hood, tight rear, short overhangs. The Kodo design language hits new heights here. Sleek LED eyes, aggressive front splitter, and wide fenders with a purposeful stance. It's compact, low, and looks fast even when parked. Inside, Mazda keeps it focused. Driver-first layout, analog dials with a central rotary touch, Alcantara everywhere, and minimal distractions. You get a crisp infotainment screen, but the real entertainment is that red line. Lightweight bucket seats and a thick, short-throw shifter remind you this car was made to be driven. And the handling? Spot on. The RX-5 rides on a new lightweight platform, with near-perfect 50-50 balance, double wishbone suspension, and a curb weight under 3,200 pounds. This is a pure driver's car in a world of tech-heavy cruisers. Starting price? Around $48,000, with a limited launch edition offering carbon roof panels, forged wheels, and a unique rotary red paint. So, has Mazda finally delivered the modern rotary sports car we've been begging for? Or is it too little, too late? Let's talk in the comments. And if you believe revving past 9,000 RPM still matters in an electric age, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. This is Auto Elite, where legends spin back to life. See you in the next one.